Yeah, chance. Oh, well, hang on a second. Oh, hang on a second. Well, this could be one of the best catches you'll ever see. I can't believe this. There's no way. Surely not. Oh, he's done it! Oh my goodness, he's done it!
Goodness.
Oh my goodness, there's no way. Surely.
I've never seen a catch like that.
Surely that's going to be given. It is. Oh my goodness, that's unbelievable. How has he done that? Oh wow, Kurshad Dayani, take a bow. That is unbelievable. Well, don't worry about playing cricket. Play football. You're in the wrong sport.